Hello.
Warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to do the questions of haloalkanes, haloarenes. Before we start this session, let me tell you these are the questions which already been asked in your previous year asked question, that is from haloalkanes, haloarenes, and plus some IIT questions, IIT JEE mains, because they are equally good for NEET 2026, and this session is really going to help you a lot whether you are going to become doctor or engineer, means either you are NEET aspirant or you are JEE aspirants, right? My dear students, before I start this session, I would like to see in the chat section that everyone, your HSP Baba is audible and visible. Let me sit and in front of screen, or you can directly show me the green signal in the chat section. If yes, my dear students, welcome, vanakkam, suswagatam. Jo bole Sonyal, Sasigal, Walaikum Salam, Assalam Walaikum. This is your Baba HSP with 27 plus years of teaching experience, dual master's degree, that is MTech in 2004, the topper, and 1999 gold medalist in MSc, and given number of ranks including 1, 3, 4, 5, and mass selections in your IIT and that's NEET examination. But before I start, everyone, it's a humble request to show me green signal that if I am perfectly audible and visible. Let me check it out. Let me sit in front of screen so that I can see, because the screen is not that big. I'm not having that big. Sassy, I can see Sassy is there, and 1111, really awesome. 1111, you are rocking. I would like to say I have never seen such great students, those who are really punctual. And Harshan, welcome. And wherever the concept is required, definitely I will go through the concept also. My dear students, through the questions, I would like to go through the concepts as well. Okay, so ready, steady, go. If you are ready, yes, show me some fire in the chat section. Fire, that is indicating that everyone is ready. If you are ready, I would like to see the fire in the chat section. Everyone, kids, everyone. Now, so here today, what I am going to tell you, kids, I would like to start with the previous year questions, and then I will come to IIT questions. Then I would like to go with assertion and reasoning, but first MCQs of previous year, right? So here is first question of NEET Manipur 2023. That's on your screen. I hope that it's visible and your Baba is loud and clear today. Although electricity is not there, but I have done some arrangement so that you can see your Baba properly. Now, my dear students, half of the paper is having question, and in half of the paper, I would like to explain it. Is it clear? So everyone, just to let me know what's the correct answer. So I can see number of students are writing the answer, and let me check it out. What answer kids are writing? 1111 is going for A, assuming fire. That's really good. Ashipriya, welcome, vanakkam, suswagatam. Santi Moimandal is going for A. So let me check it out whether A is the right answer or wrong answer. So they are writing identify. Identify the following reactions. You know who this is attached to sp2, this is attached to sp2, but bond length of carbon to bromine bond length is more. Carbon to bromine bond length is more. That means this is bond length is more. That means bond strength is less. That means weaker bond, and weaker bond will break down. So definitely we will get intermediate like this. Chlorine will remain intact, and here MgBr. Now you know that RMgX, if you do the reaction of RMgX with anything which is containing water. अगर किसी के पास water है तो R negative is your very strong base, very strong base. My dear friends, this is very strong base. Why it is being very strong base? क्या reason है इसके strong base होने का? So if I say that I am having alkane, so its pKa value is near about 50. That means very least acidic, and something which is least acidic in the world, the one who is being least acidic in the world, its conjugate base will be strongest base. My dear friends, once it is being strongest base, that means easily it will take water. It is heavy water, so heavy waters D2O, so it will take its D positive and OD will come over here. OD will come OD negative, so this will form MgOD X, and this will form RD. That means here this will go away and your answer will be, in place of here, it will form D. That means chlorine is over here and deuterium over here. So chlorine, oh my God, kids, you have done just in a fraction of seconds. Baba took this much of time. बाबा को इतना टाइम लग गया. बाबा एचएसपी को कुछ नहीं आता. बच्चा लोग ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है. किड्स नोज वेरी वेल. Oh my God, kids, but nice explanation. Your sir has given nice explanation. Do let me know in the chat section. If you're really liking sir's explanation, then sir would like to see green signal. Baba ने explain किया है. And here's another question. Here on your screen is another question, and let me sit in front of screen because big screen is not working. Let me check it out. Thank you. Are Baba, you're God of chemistry. Are Santimani, you are also very good student. Saying opposite, sir. Ashi Priya, क्या हुआ? Ashi Priya is really good. And Santi Moy Mandal, I have got a very good student. Really, you are very good student. Santi Moy Mandal, Ashi Priya, separate session for SN1. Okay. एक काम करता हूँ, इस वीक में I will keep separate session for SN1. Okay. Ashi Priya, thank you. I will today I will reply your questions answer, right, Ashi Priya? Definitely. Assuming is going for 1, 11 is going for A, means 1 and A being same. So let's see what should be the correct answer. Computer, the correct answer will be, consider the following reactions and identify the product. This is, I'm going to write down this one. Let me write down over here. So it's CH3. Let me write down with a big font. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. Now, my dear students, HBr. HBr is a strong acid. HBr will say, oh, Baba, I will release my H plus because my pKa is -9. मैं बहुत strong acid हूँ. मेरा pK बहुत कम है. Less is the pK, stronger is the acid. मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ. डिशुम. I have released proton. तुम्हारे पास आ रहा है proton. Proton कहेगा मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. उसको नजर आया proton have seen oxygen's lone pair. मैं यहाँ रहा हूँ. I will attack. ओ बाबा, अटैक हो गया. अटैक होने के बाद CH, CH3, CHO पॉजिटिव H2, ऑक्सीजन पे प्लस चार्ज आ गया. ऑक्सीजन बोला आई कांट टॉलरेट दिस प्लस चार्ज, आई कांट हैंडल. हमने कहा अच्छा तो क्या करेंगे, मारे को तो पानी निकालना है, पानी. वी हैव टू एलिमिनेट आउट वाटर. ओके, oxygen is going by taking electron of the carbon, so carbon will get plus charge, carbon will get plus charge. First it is known as oxonium ion, oxonium ion. Now it will be known as carbocation. Hey, carbocation, carbocation. Now once the carbocation has been formed, always think about rearrangement. I'm not saying always do rearrangement. अगर rearrangement होने से फायदा होता है तो rearrangement को हो जाने दो और stability को आने दो. If rearrangement, while doing rearrangement, if the compound is gaining stability, so let's happen the rearrangement. So hydride is saying, hey bro, I am coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. So why you are coming? Right now you are having 3 and 1, 4 alpha hydrogen, and so you are stabilized by hyperconjugation, and you are 2 degrees, so you are stabilized by inductive effect. Once I'm coming in your life, my dear, so you will be like this, you will be like this. Everyone will say, hey, you gained stability, you gained stability. Now see, this is X carbocation, this is Y carbocation. Let's see कौन ज्यादा स्टेबल है. 3 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, हे 3 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, 3 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, 2 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन, 3 3 6 और 2 8, 3 3 6 and 2 8, 8 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन stabilized by hyperconjugation and 3 degrees, so stabilized by inductive effect. More stable carbocation is more formed and more responsible for major product. Remember that. More stable carbocation, more stable carbocation, more formed, more formed, more formed, and responsible for major product, major product. So दोनों ही product बनाएंगे, but chlorine will say, no, bromide say, I will come and attack from both the sides. मैं तुम्हारी जिंदगी में आऊंगा और इधर से भी अटैक करूंगा और इधर से भी अटैक करूंगा, because you are pure P per P or B. And bromide is saying, I will come in your life from both the side, from upper side as well as from down side. Carbocation is also saying, कितना प्यार है तुमको हमसे जाने जाना, दोनों तरफ से अटैक करके बताना, धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, धीरे धीरे से अटैक कराना. Wow, wow. Now my dear friends, or I would like to say these two are methyl, so chiral carbon is not formed, otherwise we would have got 2 products. So इस carbon पे bromine लगेगा and the product will be first one. I took this much of time and you kids have solved it just in fraction of second. बाबा को कैसा लग रहा है कि हमारे बच्चे जल्दी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और बाबा को टाइम लग रहा है, but I would like to see the reaction. इस क्वेश्चन को मैंने दूसरे अंदाज में सॉल्व किया. Did you like it or not? Let me check it out. Did you like it or not? The way. Yeah, Shipriya, actually, I was in a meeting. Now, my dear friends, this question I tried to solve in a different style. How many of you have enjoyed? This is known as 1,2 hydride shift. Assuming Z, very good. 1,2 hydride shift. लिथियन, ध्रुवशायन, राधे राधे भूल गए. कैसे भूलूंगा, जो राधे राधे बोलता है वो बाबा HSP के दिल में रहता है. ख्वाबों में तुम सिलेक्शन दिलाएंगे. Now my dear friends, let me see your reaction. Enjoying Baba, very good, very good. I hope that everyone is able to understand. That's really fantastic. So let's move with the another question. So this was known as 1,2 hydride shift. What I have done over here, that is known as 1,2 hydride shift. 1,2 H negative shift. Okay, 1,2 hydride shift. Now another question on your screen. NEET Manipur 2023. Which amongst the following reactions, which amongst the following reactions of alkyl halide produces isonitrile as the major product? Isonitrile. So answer it out, everyone, answer it out. What's your answer? So question on your screen and Baba in front of screen. Let me see. Yeah, I left, or they made me to leave them. What to say? Ashipriya C. Harshan is going for 4. Shantimoy Mandal is going for C. So most of the people are going for C. And let me see. First of all, I should know isonitrile is what? Isonitrile means, my dear students, if I talk about isonitrile, the meaning of isonitrile is RNC. RNC. This is the meaning of isonitrile. Now, where is the beep coming from? Let me check it out, kids. The beep is coming from, so it will get, just a second, kids. You keep on doing it. I will check from where the beep is coming. Otherwise, my Wi-Fi will go. Just give me 1 second, okay? Okay, now everything is sorted. Baba has to manage number of things. Baba has to manage number of things. Now, let me solve it. Okay, see. So, Rx plus HCN. What's your answer? What's your answer, kids? What's your answer? Maximum people have gone for C. So, my dear students, let's see. First, let me write down this B1 because maximum people have gone for B. Rx and AgCN. Remember that this AgCN is a reagent. We call it reagent. Now, my dear students, if I react it with AgCN, AgCN is a reagent and it will not break because silver is having pseudo inert configuration, so it is not going to break. What are you talking about? Let me tell you, this is having more covalent character. Try to understand. Pajan's rule, silver is having pseudo inert configuration, so it is having more covalent character. Try to understand. Covalent character is more. So it will not break. So carbon is not having any charge. Nitrogen is having lone pair. So on Rx, if I write down Rx, R delta positive and X delta negative. So this nitrogen will go into the life of this SN2 reaction, backside attack. So the product formed will be RNC. That means this is the reagent as well as this is the nucleophile. So this is the class 12th first chart NCERT reaction. But if I talk about KCN, so see, KCN, from the market you bought KCN, but K and CN, K positive and CN negative, it is having ionic bond. Now carbon is also donor and nitrogen is also donor. Both of them are being donor. Both of them are being donor. But carbon is having negative charge, so it is a better nucleophile, and such type are known as ambidentate. Ambidentate. दोनों बोल रहे हैं. कार्बन कह रहा है मैं इलेक्ट्रॉन दूंगा, नाइट्रोजन कह रहा है मैं दूंगा, कार्बन ने दे दिया. दो लोग समोसा खाने गए. चंपा कह रही मैं पैसे दूंगा, नाटू कह रहा है मैं पैसे दूंगा. चंपा कह रही मैं, नाटू कह रहा मैं, नाटू कह रहा मैं निकालता हूं पैसे, लेट मी टेक आउट, एंड चंपा हैज गिवन ये. तो चंपा इज द बेटर डोनर. सो हियर चंपा विल डोनेट electron to Rx and she will go and attack from the back side. So SN2 reaction, it is also SN2 backside attack, and here the product form will be RCN, racino, nitrile. They are isonitrile, here nitrile. From the market you bought casino reagent, but the nucleophilic part is CNO. This is a reagent. Remember that this is reagent given in NCERT. This is nucleophile. तो मार्केट से लाई कैसीनो, ब्रेक करके बन गया सीनो, और प्रोडक्ट बन गया रसीनो. कैसीनो सीनो रसीनो, कैसीनो सीनो रसीनो. Nitrile is the product here, nitrile, and there the product is isonitrile, my dear friends. And this reaction is ambu, and this reaction is also CNO, racino, and then it will undergo hydrolysis. So these two can't be the answer. So B is correct answer. Now my dear friend, did you like the explanation? Let me see that are you able to understand or not. Everyone just do let me know. Okay, Ashipriya, definitely. My dear friends, everyone in the chat section, do let me know. क्या सबको मजा आ रहा है? मजा आ रहा है क्या? सबको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं? सब लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है? बच्चा मुझे जल्दी से बताओ. एवरीवन, we are. Yes, this is really good explanation. So Baba is going with another one, another question on your screen. Hey, everyone. Hey, NEET UG 2022. Awesome question. Awesome blossom, cherry blossom. Let's see how many of you can do this question. आपके सामने भाई और बहनों, देवी और सज्जनों, आपके सामने करोड़पति बनने का मौका है. And let me sit in front of screen and let me check it out that who is going to get the answer. Sir, why not A? Hydrogen cyanide will not break easily. Harshan, hydrogen cyanide ब्रेक नहीं करता बिकॉज इट इज कोवलेंट, प्योरली कोवलेंट, तो जल्दी से रिएक्शन नहीं होगी. ठीक है, आपकी क्लास एंड वी डोंट एंजॉय. ओ माय गॉड, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. आशिप्रिया, थैंक यू. शांति मोय मंडल इज गोइंग फॉर सी. आशिप्रिया इज ऑल्सो गोइंग फॉर सी. शिव, yes sir, wow, that's, let me check it out everyone. J, the incorrect. Oh baba, he is asking about incorrect. SN1 reaction yields 1:1 mixture of both enantiomers. My dear friends, this is a really awesome question. First of all, leave this, because this statement, first statement, my mind is not working. My mind, oh my God, I will tell you why my mind is not working. So now my mind is saying, leave the first part and try to find out better option. If no other option is coming out, this is high level. Why my mind is not working? Because it is very, very high level. I will let you know. High level, advanced level, IIT advanced level. Okay, so leave it, because if I'm getting trapped in this only, I will to say, oh my God, oh my God. Because in 99% reaction, equal attack from front side and back side, but in 1%, oh, the statement I said that was wrong. Why wrong? Let me change it. In 99% SN1 reaction, backside dominates, backside attack dominates, and front side is less. But in 1% reaction where carbocation is highly stable, equal attack possibility is there. That's why I'm telling you, leave this first point. Why? For let me tell you, a 99% reaction, 99% SN1 reaction, backside attack dominates, backside attack dominates, backside attack dominates. What is the reason? What is the reason for backside attack dominates? Because from front side, the leaving group is going, and leaving group is carrying negative charge, and the nucleophile is also carrying negative charge. So there is repulsion. So the backside attack dominates. But in 1% SN1 reaction, in 1% SN1, where carbocation is highly stable, where carbocation is highly stable, then the attack is 1:1. 1:1. That means equal attack will be there. So let's leave this first statement. If no other option is getting matched, then this will be the answer. The product obtained by SN2 reaction of haloalkanes having chirality at the reactive site shows. This is absolutely true. This is true. So this is not our answer. Absolutely true. So can't be our answer. Enantiomers are superimposable mirror images. Oh, enantiomers are superimposable mirror images. Non-superimposable. So this is totally false. Totally false. We got our answer. Our racemic mixture shows 0. This is true. This is true. So this is half or partially incorrect. This is false. So the answer will be enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images. So they are writing enantiomers. So oh my God, how they have asked this question, I don't know. Okay, SN1 reaction yields 1:1. So this is 1:1 mixture of both enantiomers. My God, it's such a great question. Just search out, ask Google. This is so absolutely wrong. So I would like to go with that, and that is partially wrong. So this is my answer, third one. Just search out. But my dear friend, this is also wrong. SN1 reaction yields 1. This is also false. SN1 reaction yields 1:1 mixture of both enantiomers. This is also false. That is also false. Both are false. This is more wrong. This is, here it is correct, here it is wrong. So partially false. My dear friend, why they have given this question, I too can't understand. Let me see in the chat kits. Ask Google, everyone. Yes, possible, Harsan, racemization, but that will be partial racemization, because backside attack dominates. So partial racemization is there, and that's why partial racemization is there. And if 1:1 is there, then it's complete racemization. Just check it out. Jyoti, this is really, as yesterday you asked, sir, bring some tricky question. This question is really, what to say, no words. Ritvik is there. Just check it out. शांति मोई मंडल सर, जो फर्स्ट बोलेगा आंसर आप उसका नाम लेना। ओके ठीक है। ऋत्विक जस्ट चेक इट आउट, व्हाट इज द आंसर? बाबा फर्स्ट वाला 49 एंड 51 होता है रिटेंशन और इन्वर्जन 50-50। लेट मी टेल यू, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन। फर्स्ट वाले में if carbocation is stable, highly stable, then this is the possibility. Otherwise first wale mein, if carbocation is like this and the leaving group, for example bromide, is going like this, so the nucleophile will mainly come and attack from the back side. The percentage, we can't say that percentage of attack depends on percentage of backside attack depends on depends on carbocation stability. As soon as, if I say, as the carbocation stability increases, the friends, let me write down, as the carbocation stability increases, as the carbocation stability increases, front side attack increases, but can't be more than backside, I hope you got it. And that's why it is said to be that extent of racemization, that's why people call extent of racemization is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Let me explain this sentence, why this question is very, very naughty question, very, very tough question. Let me explain, kids, why I am calling it to be very, very tough. Because my dear friends, if I say that there are 4 carbocations, one is least stable, second is more stable, third is even more stable, and fourth is maximum stable. So the one which is the least stable, suppose the backside attack is 80% and front side attack is 20%. So front one will be from 20% and back one 80%. So suppose if I say 20% front one is dextro and backside is levo, then only 20% cancellation, that is racemization, will take place. Second one, if backside, because more stable carbocation, backside attack is suppose 60% and front side attack is 40%, then 40% racemization can take place. My dear students, are you getting my point? 80%, 40%, whatever, it depends on the stability of carbocation. If the carbocation is more stable, and that how much is stable, that is experimental funda, then the front side can be maximum, that is 50%, that back side is also 50%, then in this case equal attack and 1:1, that means in this case complete racemization will take place. And in case of complete racemization, the mixture will be optically inactive. In case of partial racemization, the cancellation is taking place but complete racemization is not taking place, so the mixture will be still optically active. I hope that whatever I said people must have got. If not, then I will tell you in. Wow, Santimoy Mandal, thank you. Poet, are you new? Now my dear friends, I will tell you what will happen. So incorrect, but C is more. Yes, incorrect, but C is more appropriate. That's why we have gone for this. Otherwise, it's not a good question. My dear friends, समझ में आ गया तो green signal, show me green signal so that I can move and Baba has told you each and everything in detail about this question. Green signal, I would like to see. Fast kids, fast, 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 fast. Fastly show me green signal. Now, another question on your screen. NEET 2016. Now let's see who is going to give the first answer according to Santi Moy Mandal. मैं उसका नाम लूंगा. Yes, my cool tube, welcome. Wow, green apple, that's really awesome. It's looking so nice. Ritvik, are you there? You are liking? Then I would like to see green signal from your side. You're not listening. And please, my team, put the Telegram channel, link of Telegram channel I would like to see. Santi Mandal is going for A and my cool tube is going for A. Both of these people are saying A. My team, Ritvik, are you listening? No response from your side. What's going on? Now, let me see whether A is the right answer or wrong answer. This is your phenol. This is your, not phenol, sorry, it's not phenol. What is this? Cyclopentanol. Now, NaH. This hydrogen is acidic. This hydrogen is acidic, and Na positive and H negative, it will take away this hydrogen. Ting, 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 मैं तेरा H ले जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा H ले जाऊंगा. Now, oh, already they have found. This is strong base, negative and positive, very, very strong base, or you can say nucleophile. Now, methyl iodide is least sterically hindered, so it is a polar bond, so it will come and attack. It will come and attack from the back side. So, Williamson's synthesis, oh my God, it's very Williamson's synthesis of ether. See, two are there. Williamson's ether synthesis is correct and this is wrong. Don't go for that. That is something else. So first is the correct answer. How many of you have given first to the answer? Williamson's synthesis of ether. Very good, very good, very good. Now another question. My team. Now another question. My team, Ritvik, are you listening? My team, Ritvik. So first answer is given by Williamson, cyclopentanol, Santi Moy Mandal, Bamula Silaza is going for 3. I think Bamula Silaza is new student. My dear students, so let's see whether C is the correct answer or not. And those who are new, you have to give the rating, and if you're liking, really liking, loving this channel, subscribe it. Now, correct order of reactivity towards elimination reaction. Elimination. Now, my dear students, elimination is taking place, but they have not mentioned whether E2 or E1. If E2 even is not mentioned, so we don't know. Because if even, then rate of, for even, rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. But if I talk for E2, what will you say? What will you say? For E2, it's directly proportional. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to stability of alkene. Stability of alkene. Now, my dear students, let's see which way we have to go. This way, because they have not mentioned. So we have to see the stability of alkene. So the first one will form a product. That is C6H5 CH double bond CH2. Its journal name is styrene, and this is stabilized by resonance. It is being SBr. What is the meaning of SBr, kids? Stabilized by resonance. And the second one's product will be like this. Second one's product will be CH double bond CH2. It is stabilized by hyperconjugation 3 alpha hydrogens, so it's stabilized by hyperconjugation. Now its product, see kids, third one's product will be like this. Third one's product will be C6H5 CH double bond CH3. The ZJEP product is major one. ZJEP is major one, that is 80%, and it is stabilized by resonance. This side resonance and that side alpha hydrogen. My God, very good. That was just stabilized by resonance. No alpha hydrogen was present. So इधर की तरफ stabilized by resonance और उधर की तरफ stabilized by hyperconjugation. तुम ही हो सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल. So third से start होना चाहिए. These two can't be the product, and इसका product बनेगा CH3 CH double bond CH2. Ayyo Rangaswamy. So third will be on first number, then first, third, then first, third, then fourth. Hey, fourth is the correct answer, my dear student. Fourth, I got it. Now let me see in the chat section. Baba is really doing a good work or not. Baba, I'm back. 11. Yes. Now do let me know. My cool tube Jyoti, you got it? Is there any mistake in question? Just check it out. There is no mistake. 3, then 1, then 4, and then 2. Absolutely correct. This question is absolutely correct. Jyoti, just see, if I talk about fourth one, in the fourth one, there are 3 alpha hydrogen. And if I talk about the second one, there are also 3 alpha hydrogen atoms, but that is the most appropriate one. That is only the most appropriate one. Got it? Jyoti, got it? Everyone, you are really loving the way Baba is explaining. I'm telling you each and everything. I'm just trying my level best. Now, next question on the screen. Everyone, hey, AIPMT 2015. And let me sit in front of screen and just wait for your answer. Okay. Let's see who is going to give answer first. Got it. Very good. Kids. Very good. Clear. Okay. Clear. Now, next question on your screen. Just check it out. What answer you people are going to give. Baba is waiting for your answer. Fast. Speedily. I increase the speed. 1111 is going for C. Santi Moy Mondal B. Oh my God, there is a class. One student is going for C, one student is going for B. Let me wait for Jyoti. Harshan is also going for C. Oh, Baymula Shalaja is going for 4. B, C, D, all the options. Jyoti is going for 4th. Oh my God, almost all the options got clicked. Shiv is saying what? Yes, sir. What is yes, sir? Assuming Jed is going for C. Let me, now Baba is coming. HSP Baba, 27 years of teaching experience. Let's see Baba is going to do what. Which of the following reactions can be used for preparation of alkyl halide? Alkyl halide. Now you see HCl and ZnCl2 equimolar mixture of this was known as in the chat Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. So it will take too much time, but yes, ultimately the product will be formed after a long period of time, after a very, very long period of time. Now, this is HCl. Ababa! Without Lucas reagent, reaction is not possible at room temperature. No reaction. No reaction. No reaction. Lucas reagent is required. Now, this is very, very awesome. Very, very important. Why I am saying very, very important? If you see your NCRT for the third option, NCRT is writing that if you are adding Lucas reagent, then also this reaction will take place. But if you're not adding Lucas reagent, if you simply shake it, shaking, then also tertiary alcohol simply reacts with HCl. So this is very, very special reaction. So product will be formed. And that's why number of people they have given number of answers. Now this is secondary alcohol. Lucas reagent is there. It will form the product. Lucas reagent is there. It will form the product CH3 whole twice CHCl. So कहाँ पे हो गई है reaction? Can be used for preparation of this. So I would like to say इसमें हुआ है, इसमें नहीं, इसमें हुआ है, इसमें भी हुआ है. 1 3 4 1 3 4 1 3 4. Awesome question. Very, very good question. I will give 100% marks to this question. 100% because it is really very, very fantabulous question. Marvelous question. Marvelous question, kids. Because people will get trapped and they will get negative marks. Now tell me the Baba's explanation. Everyone, if you are really liking Baba's explanation and Baba is required for such type of questions. Turbidity. Wow, Bemula Shailaja, you are intelligent. Third is answer, Chef. Very good. Now, Bemula Shailaja, you are very good student. You have used the word turbidity because alcohol is clear. When you add Lucas reagent, the solution will become turbid. Turbid means matmela, dhundla, translucent. So in Lucas reagent, the solution becomes turbid. Solution becomes alcohols on coming in contact with the Lucas reagent. What is a Lucas reagent? What is Lucas reagent, kids? Equimolar solution of concentrated HCl and ZnCl2. This is your Lucas reagent. So alcohols, when they are coming in contact with Lucas reagent, the solution becomes turbid. The solution becomes turbid. यानी कि turbidity आ जाती है. Turbidity appears. And if you treat 3-degree alcohol, turbidity appears just within fraction of seconds, in seconds. Now if you add 2-degree alcohol with the Lucas reagent, then the turbidity will appear after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. And 1 degree alcohol with Lucas reagent gives stability after a very long time, a long period of time. I hope you got it. You got it. Now next question on your screen. Very good question. Just see to it. Just see to it, everyone. And Baba is moving aside, and you just try it out. Try it out, kids. Everyone just try it out. Can you see? Is it visible, kids? Let me see the chat section, what answer people are going to give. Wow, so fast. They have gone for fourth. Let me check it out whether fourth is right answer or. In SN1 reaction on chiral center, there is 100% retention. No, Baba, no. 100% inversion. No, Baba, no. 100% racemization. No, Baba, no. Inversion more than. Now see, kids, there I taught you that that option was wrong. You can see here it is clearly mentioned that inversion is more than retention, leading to partial racemization generally, mostly, because not always, mostly. So this is the best option. This thing I taught you over there, that what they are saying, and they have given wrong options. Right now, next question, kids. Now, questions which have been asked in IIT. These questions have been asked in IIT. So let me show you the first question on your screen. If you can see this question. Everyone, is it visible to all of you? This question, the SN2 reactivity order for halides. Let me sit and see the screen. Who is going to give answer first? Yes, assuming you can say, but percentage we don't know. It can be anything else. It can be from 1% to 100%. That is the range, assuming Z. Now, my dear friend, those who are new, you have to give the feedback, how much you are liking. Harshan, very good one. And assuming going for Santimoy Mandal is going for B. Bemula Shalaja is going for B. So Harshan is going for first. Let me check it out. Who is more appropriate? Now, for SN2 reaction, remember that leaving group tendency, because leaving group tendency LGT. What do you mean by LGT? LGT means leaving group tendency. Leaving group tendency. So leaving group tendency, the Beaker bases are good leaving groups. Remember that? Beaker bases are good leaving group. How to find out Beaker bases? How to find out? There are two assumptions, two theories. First case, let me explain with the first concept. Concept number one. Beaker bases are good leaving groups. Beaker bases are good leaving groups. And Beaker bases are formed by whom? Stronger acids form Beaker conjugate base. We should know stronger acids form Beaker conjugate base. Beaker conjugate base. Now we know that if we remove this fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, then they will become like this. They will become like this. Hi is very strong acid, then HBr, then HCl, then HF. This already I have taught you. Otherwise, if you go practically, pK is -10, -9, -7, +3. Now that means strongest acid will form weakest conjugate base. So iodide is best leaving group, then bromide, then chloride, then fluoride. So this is the thing. This is case number one, or the concept number one. So the answer we have got from the concept number one only, IBrCl. RF. This is the answer. Now, if you don't know, if you don't want to go with that, you can do easily that once the leaving group has left carbon, एक बार कार्बन की जिंदगी से कोई चला जाए तो दोस्ती टूट जाएगी और चार्ज आ जाएगा, और किसी को छोड़ के अगर सुकून की प्राप्ति होती है तो उसको छोड़ देना ही अच्छा है। जबरदस्ती की नजदीकियों से दूर की खामोशियां भले हैं, दूर की खामोशियां भले हैं। So I would like to sing, I am having large size, my size is very big, size matters a lot, my delocalization is too much, I am feeling most stable, सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल हूं, मुझे किसी की चिंता नहीं है, होके मजबूर चला मैं बहुत दूर चला तेरी दुनिया से, होके मजबूर चला। ये गा रहा है लिविंग ग्रुप टेंडेंसी। मैं कहीं नहीं जाने वाला हूं, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूं, छोड़ेंगे ना हम तेरा साथ हो बच्चों सिलेक्शन तक। नाउ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू आर रियली लविंग इट। शांतिमय मंडल सिंह सर, ल्यूकास टेस्ट में 1 डिग्री में तो नहीं होता बेटा, अगर होता है याद रखिएगा, गलत पढ़ा है, कहीं भी पढ़ा है वो गलत है। 1 डिग्री बहुत देर बाद देता है, बहुत देर बाद, टर्बिडिटी बहुत देर बाद आती है, बट होता है बेटा, ठीक है। शांतिमय मंडल, रिमेंबर दैट 1 डिग्री में भी रिएक्शन होता है, बट बहुत लंबा टाइम लगता है। नाउ टेल मी किड्स, द वे बाबा इज, दोज हु कैन अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, I know 11 you can't understand Hindi, but those who know Hindi, they must be loving, really loving, and 11 to always love. Hey kids, I would like to see the reaction. What do you say that Baba is teaching you? Baba is explaining each and everything, how much you are loving, kids. Sir, I think they are confusing no turbidity as no reaction. Yes, turbidity will come only when reaction is taking place, right? So it's very simple. Question is very simple. If you have any doubt, I can explain once again. Assuming that, should I go back to that question? If you have any doubt, do let me know. Do let me know whatever you want to say. Baba is here to remove all the confusions. That's why Baba is teaching. There should be no confusion at all. That's wrong, Harsan. Yeah, that is right, sir. But without Lucas reagent, the primary. Let me come back. Let me explain. Remember that. Let me go back to the question. This question. Okay, now see, let me take one plain sight. Let me tell you, see, when alcohol reacts with HCl, or when alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent, when alcohol reacts with HCl or alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent, the product formed in both the two cases is RCl. One point is clear, the product form is RCl, and whenever RCl is formed, that is turbid solution. One point is clear. Is this point clear? First point, show me green signal if the first point is clear. Whether that is reacting with simply HCl, or it is reacting with Lucas reagent, whatever the case A, case B, if that is formed, that will be turbid solution. First point is clear or not? Everyone show me green signal if first point is clear to all of you. Now, let me tell you 3 things. 1, 2, 3. Third, what I'm going to tell you, if I say that I'm having tertiary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Now, tertiary alcohol, whether you treat with Lucas reagent, whether you use Lucas reagent, or you simply shake with, or you simply shaking with HCl, HCl shake. In both the two cases, you will get tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride, and this is your turbid solution, and this turbidity appears, and everything is going at room temperature. Everything I'm talking about at room temperature. Remember that, room temperature. Everything here is undergoing at room temperature. Turbidity appears immediately. Appears immediately. Immediately. Now, if I talk about secondary alcohol, that is 2-degree alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, this was 3-degree, this is 2-degree. If you react with the Lucas reagent, then you will get turbidity after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turbidity will appear. Turbidity after 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Now, if you treat this simply with HCl, if you treat simply with HCl, if you add HCl to it, no reaction. No reaction means no turbidity. No turbidity, because if reaction is happening, then only chloroalkane will get formed. So no reaction, no turbidity. Now, it's the time for primary alcohol. CH3, CH2OH. Now, if you add a Lucas reagent, this will get formed CH3, CH2, Cl. But this reaction will take too much time. After this question has been asked, remember that you can see after a very long time, long period of time, turbidity will appear. Turbidity will appear. So reaction will take too much time. And if you are adding Lucas reagent to this, Lucas reagent, then reaction is possible. If you're simply adding HCl, no reaction, because no turbidity. No turbidity. Turbidity will appear only when the reaction is taking place. I have written each and everything. That's why that question is marvelous. Now you can get the answer. Now answer will match. Now do let me know. Unknown doctor, welcome. Now everyone, Baba would like to see that yes, now you are happy. Baba has written each and everything. Kids, do let me know. Each and everything is clear or not. Do let me know in the chat section speedily. And my team, I would like to see one bottle of water. I'm feeling thirsty. Now, everyone just to let me know now everything is clear or not. Let me change the camera angle little bit. Improvement is required in the camera angle, kids. Now it's okay. Camera angle I have done, changed. Do let me know in the chat section. Now everyone, because Baba is for giving you the best without any confusion. All the confusions will go away when Baba is there. Just do let me know, kids. Bemula Sailaja, it's clear. Somebody else asked me, Cool Tube, Jyoti, anybody is asking, having any question, just to let me know. I hope that all the points got clear, kids. All the points got clear. Clear or not? Because if doubt is there, that will stop your selection. Without any doubt, This channel means that there will be no doubt. No doubt should be pending. There will remain no doubt. Doubtless, errorless studies. Now, this is very good question, and I would like to say it's of All India PMT 2012. Very good question and very, very confusing question. So take care. Very, very special case. I would like to say very, 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 very dangerous question. Very, very dangerous. So take care, everyone. Very, very dangerous question. Now let me see who will give the correct answer. Let me see. Let me sit in front of screen and check it out. Oh, Jyoti, thank you. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, and same to you. Sahana, welcome. Warm welcome, Sahana. Meet Jyoti. Only Priya is missing. B. 11 is going for B. Harshan is also going for B. And let me check it out. What is the correct answer? If you are able to answer this question, that I will feel that really my kids are doing very well. Now let me check it out. See, this is halogen attached with benzene. Remember that, my dear students, remember that whenever any halogen is attached with benzene, whenever any halogen is attached with benzene, its lone pair is always doing resonance with benzene. So इसके घर आना जाना है, आना जाना हो रहा है. Due to this, the actual structure of this compound, if I talk about actual structure, kids, actual structure of this compound, if I draw this compound's actual structure, just see, kids, its actual structure, the true structure, or better to say resonance hybrid will look like this. This will remain constant, but the pi bond, as the pi bond is continuously moving, so it will create delta negative, and this electron are always in moving condition, and X is having a partial double bond character, and due to this partial double bond character, the single bond, it's not actually single bond, it is having a partial double bond character. It has developed a partial double bond character, there is partial double bond character, my dear students, partial double bond character, and due to which the bond length decreases. Bond length decreases by 8 picometer. No need to remember 8 picometer, but the bond strength increased. Once the bond strength increased, bond order increased, because it is more than one, bond order is more than one, so the bond order increased, so bond strength increased, so it will not break easily. So divide and rule, these are at the last least reactive, these two are least reactive. So now we have to see the rest of other two. This is 3 degree and this is 2 degree. Now they haven't mentioned whether SN1 reaction or SN2 reaction. They are not even talking about the nucleophile. That is also not given. So consider water. When nothing is given, then always consider the nucleophile as water, because nucleophile is not given, not mentioned, it's not mentioned, then consider it to be water, H2O. Now H2O will definitely react with tertiary. So this is most reactive. So the answer has to start with this, that is through SN1 reaction. It will move out through SN1 reaction, and this is most reactive. Third one is most reactive. Are you getting my point, kids? Third one is most reactive. After third, second one. Second one is most reactive. Now divided and rule, divide and rule. Now these, consider them to be ARSN2. Consider them to be showing ARSN2, addition, elimination, overall substitution. And in ARSN2 reaction, carbanion is the intermediate. So carbanion formation will come here, and it will get stabilized by resonance. This is given on page number 303. Very, very old NCERT 303, new NCERT 311, and very new, little bit about there. This reaction is given that if no NO2 is attached, then the reaction will take place at 613 Kelvin. If one NO2 is there, 443 Kelvin. At two NO2 are there, just 300 Kelvin. And no NO means three NO2s are there, then turn out the page, and you will get that is reacting simply with water. And these are reacting with NaOH. That is known as Dow's process. So next is this one. After that, this is second one. Second is over there. Sorry, this is fourth. This is fourth. I have written wrong. It's fourth. I consider it to be second. Sorry, kids. Fourth. After fourth, second. After second, first. This is your answer. I hope that maximum people got it. This is your answer, which is matching with 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. Second is the correct answer. Kids, agreed? Everyone agreed? I hope that you are liking the explanation. Maximum people, because Baba is telling you each and everything in detail. Sahana, very good. 11, very good. Keep, kids, whenever you are showing green signal, then Baba is getting that yes, Baba has done his work. हाँ जी, क्या सभी को समझ में आ रहा है? बाबा अच्छे से मेहनत कर रहे हैं. बाबा इज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. बाबा की राइटिंग पहले से अच्छी हुई है. सहाना, बाबा's writing is better than earlier. बाबा is trying. शांति मोय मंडल, बाबा की राइटिंग समझ में आ रही है. सहाना, Baba is always working hard on whatever the things required for students. Very good. So I hope you are ready for another question. Next question is going to come on your screen. Yes, very good. The way of writing and everything, it's very much improved. My God, thank you, Sahana. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Compliment from you people side means a lot. Now, next one. Anyways, everyone. Wow, this question. Let me sit once again in front of the screen just to check it out whose answer is coming first. Baba, H.S.P. Baba. Love you too. Love you. So colorful slide, Jyoti. Thank you. मैं प्रिया को मिस कर रहा हूँ. लस्सी पी लो. अभी है नहीं शांतिमय मंडल. टाइम निकाल के जाऊंगा पीने. 11 is giving answer first. शांतिमय मंडल, देखो तुमसे पहले 11 आंसर दे रहे हैं. नाउ सहाना HSPN. Wow, Sahana. A. Everyone is going for A. So let me check it out. They are writing about the reactivity of these towards SN2 reaction. Now, my dear students, SN2 reaction. And SN2 reaction, if I talk about SN2 reaction, SN2 reactions rate is inversely proportional to steric hindrance. It is inversely proportional to Steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. Now, one more thing I would like to say, that which place steric hindrance is least. Now, my dear student, this question is very tough. Chlorobenzene is there. Chlorobenzene, my God, it is easy because chlorobenzene, if you see, its single bond is having what? In chlorobenzene, its single structure, if you see the resonance hybrid, the true structure, it's like this. Chlorine and single bond has acquired partial double bond character. So he is the captain of the ship. Remember that. कभी भी एग्जाम में आएगा, he is like the captain of the ship. कोई भी bond halogen, if it is directly attached with double bond, if it is directly attached to double bond, single bond will always have partial double bond character. I always call them to be captain of the ship. I always use one word, that captain of the ship. Why? Captain is the one who is the last one to leave the ship. जहाज को छोड़ के जल्दी जाता नहीं है. Now, people are calling them to be aryl halide. People call it to be aryl halide. Remember the aryl halide. This is aryl halide and this one is vinyl halide. So, aryl halide and vinyl halides will generally they will not show no reaction, generally no NSR, whether I talk about SN1 or SN2 at room temperature, no NSR at room temperature, they will not show any reaction. So this will be at the last. So see, these two can't be the answer. These two can't be the answer. हो ही नहीं सकते, सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. Answer इन्हीं में से है, and this is having least steric hindrance. So first one is the correct answer. Answer आना एक बात है और डिटेल में आना अलग बात है. I hope that everyone is satisfied with the explanation. Captain of ship, yes, will never leave easily. Captain of the ship. Now let me tell you, whether you talk about SN1 or you talk about SN2, let me give you Baba HSP trick. Baba HSP trick that will really help you a lot in your examination. Baba HSP trick is that if I draw one compound like this is your benzyl halide. What is this? Benzyl halide. The bond length is like this. Try to understand. Right now Baba is doing painting. Consider that Baba's imaginary painting. This is your normal halide. So let me remove this gola benzene. It's not benzene. It's simple aliphatic halide. Its bond length is like this. Now let me draw another one. Now let me draw the third one. Just try to see the difference. Try to see the difference in all three. Everyone. They all are looking like single bond. If I say X, Y, Z, they all are looking like single bond. But remember that this single bond is having partial ionic bond. Because किसी के जाने से अगर सुख की प्राप्ति होती है, सुख is stabilized by resonance. This is Brahman's best सुकून. जाती है तो जा, भाव ना खा, तेरे बाद पॉजिटिव चार्ज जाएगा, रेजोनेंस करेंगे. So the single bond is having partial ionic character. Remember that the single bond is having partial ionic character. So its bond order is less than 1. Its bond order is less than 1. That means very, very good leaving group. This is good leaving group. I would like to say it is very, very good leaving group. GLG. What is the full form of GLG? Good leaving group. मैं जल्दी जल्दी आई, तुमने दी आवाज, लो मैं आ गई. Now this bond is pure single bond, pure single bond. So its bond order is 1, pure 1, bond order is 1. Now this, if you see the true structure, single bond is having partial double bond character, partial single bond is with partial double bond character, double bond character. So its bond order is greater than 1. So see, more the bond order, more is the stability. People call it to be benzyl halide. Everyone say benzyl halide or benzyl halide. Say benzyl halide, benzyl halide. People call it to be normal aliphatic halide. And let me tell you the reactivity order, whether we talk about SN1 or we talk about SN2, irrespective of that, the reactivity order is in this order for both. This is the order for both, whether we talk about SN1 or we talk about SN2, the reactivity order for any NSR is like this. It's like this. I hope that everyone got it, kids, and everyone is able to understand. Everyone, this is really the best mind map. When I teach, I always used to give this. Kids, do let me know everyone is able to understand or not. The board is clear. Board's clarity is really good or not. Kids, do let me know everyone is able to understand or not. Yeah, either SN2 or SN1, both. This is for both. This is for both. Santimoy Mandal, this order is valid for both, either SN1 or SN2. It's valid for both. I hope you got it. Now, sir, need water, please give him team. Oh my God, thank you, my cool tube. Thank you. They have given, and thank you. Let's see another question. Board clarity is okay. If yes, show me green heart skits or green signal. If board is clearly visible to all of you, I'm having doubt that board is clearly visible or not. Board is clearly visible or not, kids. Clarity is the most important point. Let me see in the chat that board is clearly visible or not, kids. Board is not clear. Okay, that's why my team, let me ask my team, Ritvik, please camera fix. Board clarity is not there. The team is not able to see it. Just check it. Something blur. It's looking a little bit blur. Check it out. Okay. When I'm standing in front of the board, clarity is there. Otherwise, it's going out of that. Okay. So let's see. Let me put it over here. And what's the answer? What's the answer? Let me move fast, a little bit fast, and let's check it out. Rate of SN2 reaction will be negligible. Remember that this compound, second one. Oh, there are two questions. Actually, there are two questions. This is question number, if I say 1, and this is question number 2. So let's focus on the first question. Second is the answer. Why second is the answer? Just see, if I draw this compound, and if I talk about the bridgehead carbon, that chlorine or any X is attached. So if you talk about SN1 reaction, they are talking about SN2. This is 3 degree. So nucleophile can't attack from the back side. Nucleophile can't attack from backside. No attack because it is sterically hindered. Too much sterically hindered. It is too much sterically hindered. Are you getting my point? It is too much sterically hindered, so no attack. And let me give you one more example. This halogen is attached on bridge head carbon, bridge head carbon. So I would like to tell you one thing. Whenever any halogen is attached on bridge head carbon, it will neither show SN2, it will not show SN1, it will not show E1, it will not show E2. No reaction. Why, kids? If we talk about its SN1, then we will form its carbocation. And remember that Braddock's rule says, Braddock's rule, bread and tomato, Braddock's rule says, according to Braddock's bridge head carbon can't be sp2 hybridized, can't be sp2. This, so even I can say, if it is going to be sp2, it would like to be 120 degree like this, and if it is going for 120 degree, the ring will break. And now if we go for E1 and E2, E1 or E2, then it has to form alkene, and it will be like this. And if it is like this, then also double bond will be there, and it will become sp2. It will become sp2, and these two compound doesn't exist. These two compounds don't exist. I hope that Baba has given you the detailed explanation. Let me see in the chat that people are loving it, liking it or not. Do let me know, kids. Why not 4? All. Oh, sorry, my answer is wrong. Sahana, you right. See, kids, even Baba got trapped. Baba has seen only this option. So neither this will show reaction nor this will show, because I have told you this is vinyl halide, and right now I told you it is captain of the ship, vinyl halide, no reaction, and this is aryl halide, this is also captain of the ship. So correct answer is 4 only. All 3 no reaction at room temperature, no reaction at room temperature. So the correct answer is 4th. So my dear student, do not get trapped. 4th is the correct answer. All of these. Kids, clear explanation, each and everything in all these, the halogen is not going to leave. And thank you, Sahana. My dear student, do let me know in the chat section, and if it is clear, I would like to see your reply, that what you are saying, and then switch to another question. Next question. Green signal, I would like to see that if it is clear to each and everyone, kids. Do show me the green signal, and then go for this question. Everyone, once you have done it, then you have to go for this question, kids. Everyone, fast. Do let me know. Then this question, that question was really awesome. I would like to say this question was really good question. This one, this option. Now you're supposed to do this question. Everyone, Baba is standing over here and doing something, so that camera reflection should not be there. And just do let me know what's your answer, kids. Do let me know, everyone. I made number of waves so that you can focus on this question. This is your question right now, and do let me know the answer. The order of decreasing SN1 reactivity. Now you can easily answer this question because I have explained each and everything. This is allyl halide, like benzyl halide. It is allyl halide because its carbocation is resonance stabilized. If you see, this compound's carbocation is resonance stabilized. CH2 double bond CH, CH positive and CH3. It can do resonance with rest of the compound stabilized by resonance. SBR, and rate of reaction for SN1 rate is being directly proportional to, rate of reaction is directly proportional to carbocation stability, my dear students. Carbocation stability, SN1 rate is carbocation stability, directly proportional. Now if you see this one, then this carbocation is not going to form any stable carbocation because it is just having 2 alpha hydrogen atoms stabilized by inductive effect and hyperconjugation, 1 degree carbocation. Now if you talk about this one, so you see its carbocation is CH3, CH2, CH plus and CH3. It is stabilized by hyperconjugation. How many alpha hydrogens? It is having 5 alpha hydrogens and 2 degrees. So stabilized by hyperconjugation and stabilized by inductive effect. But ultimately this is a resonance stabilized. So always resonance is on the first number, then hyperconjugation, and then inductive effect rahis, and then percentage of S character rahis. This is responsible. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, where it's given third. So people, you have gone for third answer. Do let me know. Everyone, you have gone for C. Yeah, Santimoy Mandal, I can see Harman, Harshan and Sahana. Very good. Next question. Everyone, speed. Let me increase the speed. Let me increase the speed. Oh, yeah. Here, this already we have done right now. Now here is another question. Just see which of the following will give fastest SN2. Wow. Awesome question. Awesome question. And it is based on, I would like to say it's a really fantabulous, marvelous question. Marvelous question. And it is based on ARSN2 reaction. ARSN2, that is addition, then elimination and overall substitution. Elimination, overall nucleophilic substitution reaction. So let me see, this is including haloalkanes, haloarides as well as GOC. This is including 2 chapters. I would like to say 2 chapters are involved in this. 2 chapters. What are these 2 chapters? First chapter is aryl halide, and second chapter is GOC. You should have knowledge of GOC. Otherwise, you can't do this question without the knowledge of GOC. This is $1 million question. So GOC knowledge you should have. GOC. Without GOC, you can't do this question. So let me check it out. What answer people are writing in the chat, whether they are able to get the answer or not, my dear friends. Let me see. Some are going for, let me check it out. My cool tube, Jyoti for 1, everyone 1, but Jyoti has changed 1 or 3. There is doubt. So rest of the other Santi Boy Mandal is going for A. Okay. So Jyoti is having confusion between 1 and 3, and rest of the are going for 1. Now see, kids. First of all, check the base. They all are benzyl. They all are benzyl. The base is clear to all of you. Show me green color if base is clear. All they have benzyl as the carbocation. Their carbocation is benzyl. First thing is clear or not? Do let me know. 1 point is clear or not? All are having one thing. All are benzyl carbocation. All of them are benzyl carbocation. So base is same. Now once the base is same, this base is same, all are being benzyl carbocation. Now focus on the effect of groups. Effect of group, this is plus M plus R. Plus M or plus R will donate electron. It's ortho and para. This negative charge will stabilize positive charge. So I will say the charge decreased too much. Charge decreased too much. Charge, once the charge decreased too much, that means stability of carbocation increased too much. And if this is happening, that means rate of reaction increased too much. First point is clear to all of you. Now see the second one, NO2 is minus M. Minus M minus R will withdraw. This is electron withdrawing group. That was electron donating group. So partial positive at ortho, partial positive at ortho, and ortho. Charge increased too much. Charge increased too much. That means stability of carbocation decreased too much. That means rate of reaction decreased too much, too much, too much. Now methyl is donating electron through hyperconjugation. It is donating through plus H and plus H. So it will come over here, but you know that I have told you Rahis, the main importance is given to R, then H, then I, then S. This is Rahis. So it will decrease the charge, but not like first one. So charge decrease, but not like that. So stability increased and the rate of reaction also increased, but less than that of 1. And here this is more reactive, but more than second. But let's see, the order will be maximum reactive is first, after first third, after third fourth, after fourth at the last. This is at the last. Second one is the last one. Now my dear students, everyone, you got the answer. Have you liked it? Do let me know that you are really loving Baba's explanation. If yes, Baba would like to see green color, green color, green color. Baba would like to see green color in the chat section, that yes, this is the rate of reaction for, oh kids, sorry, SN2. Baba is wrong. Baba has given order for SN1. Baba is totally wrong. Kids, sorry, extremely sorry. Baba has not seen SN2. Kids, sorry, kids. Baba has given answer for SN1. Sorry, kids, sorry. Let me copy it. I'm extremely sorry, kids. I'm extremely sorry. So let me put there SN1 and then I will give you for SN2. This is negligence. Please ignore, this is negligence, and this answer Baba has given for SN1. Sorry kids, sorry. This answer is totally, my all hard work has gone. So let me first write down this answer I have given for SN1. Forget whatever I've told you. This is for SN1. Rate, when I'm writing over here, rate of SN1 reaction, this is for SN1. Now, sorry kids, sorry, this is not the answer of that question. Now, let me come over here for SN2. So, let me remove all these things. First of all, let me remove, kids, let me remove ARSN2. It is not ARSN2 because it is benzyl. Everything written is wrong. So, let me rub it, kids. Please forgive me, kids, forgive me. So negligence of reading, kids, negligence of reading. So see, my God, negligence of reading. Oh. They are asking for which of the following will give fastest SN2 reaction. So this is the answer. Because if the charge is more, electron withdrawing group will take electron through minus M, minus R, and this will have ortho delta positive, and charge will get increased. So finally its charge increase, so it is in need of nucleophile. So nucleophile will easily attack. Nucleophile will attack easily, It is the same question or different question? It is the same question or different question? Here, second is the answer. Now that was having no options. Okay. So kids, this is the answer. Second is the correct answer. Now let me see the chat, kids. There was the accident. Baba, but it is not. Yeah, Harshan. Whatever I have written, that And let me remove that ARSN2. It's not ARSN2, it is totally, here also it is totally SN1. Wrong. This also, let me remove this. This is not ARSN2, this is simple SN1 reaction. Harsan, it's simple SN1 reaction. So let me take my words back. It's simple SN1 reaction. It's simple SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction, and rate of reaction is directly proportional to this. If this would have been like this, then this should be the answer, and it's simple SN1. But actually the given question is like this. It is simple SN2. It is simple SN2 reaction. It's simple SN2 reaction. SN2, it's not ARSN2, it's simple SN2 reaction. My dear students, I hope Hudson and everyone clear. Do let me know. Single step reaction, no intermediate is formed. 11 saying, Baba, what is the difference? Lot of difference. This I will tell you in the theory. This I will let you know in the theory. So it is single step reaction, moves without formation of any intermediates. It's a single step reaction. Single step reaction. No intermediate formation takes place. No intermediate formation. Right, kids? So this is happening because of negligence of reading question. So read it out properly. What Baba has done, you should not do. Always read it out. Always read your question. Read your question properly. Read your question properly. Always read your question properly. Always read your question. My dear friends, is it clear? Do let me know in the chat section. Is it very clear? हाँ, शांति मोय मंडल, this question was really simple and ठीक से नहीं पढ़ने से ऐसा होता है. But अब clear है बच्चा लोग. Now is it clear? Each and everything is clear. Do let me know बच्चा लोग, बच्चा party, just do let me know each and everything is clear or not. No need to see the steric hindrance, because steric hindrance is equal. Who is saying? Harshan. See, steric hindrance is equal because nucleophile has to attack on this carbon. Nucleophile has to attack on this carbon, and their steric hindrance is equal. We have to see steric hindrance, but steric hindrance for nucleophile with respect to nucleophile, it has to attack over here. So this base is common. So the steric hindrance for attack of nucleophile is common. Equal steric hindrance. All four options are having equal steric hindrance. Equal steric hindrance. Steric hindrance is equal, kids. Harshan, all four options, they are benzyl. They all are benzyl, so they are having steric hindrance equal. So no need to go for steric hindrance. Okay. Harshan, clear? 11 clear? Reagent attack directly. Yes, from the back side attack, and you see it is 1 degree in all four cases. I would like to say it is 1 degree. You see here hydrogen, here hydrogen. In all four options, the alkyl halide is 1 degree. Alkyl halide is, benzyl halide is 1 degree. In all the four options, benzyl halide is 1 degree, and 1 degree is having least steric hindrance. Least steric hindrance. I hope that it's clear to each and everyone. This now it's clear. All the doubts clear. Any doubt, I would like to see in the chat section. Any doubt? If no doubt, speedily show me green signal so that Baba should move for another question. Baba is explaining Baba's explanation is good. Baba is trying to explain each and everything for each question, kids. Really good explanation Baba is trying to give. Now, let's move speedily. I would like to see green signal in the chat so that we can move speedily. Here, this is 2012 paper. Very, very dangerous question. Just read it out properly and see the options properly. Read question properly first thing. Read properly and see the options. Don't be preoccupied and try to get most appropriate. Try to get most appropriate answer, because question is of not that level. Most appropriate answer. Just try to get most appropriate answer, because question is not good. Question is not good. So read properly and try to get most appropriate answer, because no option is like that. So I would like to say most appropriate answer. Just go for most appropriate answer. Just go for most appropriate answer and read it out properly. Let me see how many of you can answer it. Let me check it out in the chat box. What answer is coming? First, Harshan is going for first. Santimo Mandal is going for B. Oh, different answer. That's why I told you, read it out properly. Read it out properly. Different people, different answer. Now, let me check. Now, see, kids. Those who are having knowledge, they will say that this is 1 degree alkyl halide and ether is formed. That's it's okay. That's it okay. SN2, no problem is there. No problem is there. It is SN2. It is SN2 because the product formed is, but people will get confused because in SN2 reaction, the attack from backside, but this is not taking from backside. Retention of configuration. Kids, do you know retention of configuration? So whether SN2 or SN1, that is a doubt. That is a doubt. Now, everyone just see this question because it holds a hell lot of weightage and this is a really awesome question. So I'm giving you time. I'm giving you time, kids. Just see this question is not easy question. See, if it would have gone, see the product, if it would have gone through SN2 because it is 1 degree, then the backside attack should have taken place, but they are saying SN, this is according to SN1, and if it is going to take place through SN1, then two types of products would have got formed. That is retention as well as inversion. Now see, this ethyl alcohol is a weak base, right? Weak nucleophile. Now my dear students, for SN2 reaction, because SN2 reaction takes place in a single step, for taking place in single step, that is the elementary reaction, the nucleophile must be strong. As your Williams has said, Williamson's, if you remember Williamson's synthesis of ether, Williamson's synthesis of ether, what is the fundamental thing? The fundamental thing is that Rx 1 degree or 2 degree should react with R dash ONA. They can be R dash or RONA. Strong nucleophile, that is sodium or potassium alkoxide. Sodium or potassium alkoxide. And then only one type of product will get formed, and that is with the inversion of configuration, R dash O R. Inversion of configuration. Nothing is like that. This is not a strong nucleophile and nor inversion. So most appropriate, I would like to say SN 1 because it is attacking from front side, and front side attack is only possible when SN1 reaction is there. But in SN1, another product should have been formed, but it's not given over there. So best option I would like to show. Now, this is now, my dear friends, CH2OC2H5. Now it is a strong nucleophile and it is supposed to attack through SN2, but there is retention of configuration. Here also retention of configuration, kids. Now this is the problem. Here there retention of configuration. There it was retention of configuration, retention of configuration. Here also there is a retention of configuration. My dear friends, it is totally looking like SN2 because it is strong nucleophile and this is 1 degree, but kids, the product is not written according to SN2. Now do let me know, it is really a challenging question. It's anaconda. My dear friends, now let me see who is going to give the correct answer. The product they have written is, my God, this is year 2012, everyone. How can determine its stereochemistry? That I will teach you, Harsan. If you people are struggling for this, I have to take one session. I will keep one session. Thank you, Shiv. Thank you. Now everyone ask AI. Everyone ask AI what is the correct answer. Everyone ask AI what should be the correct answer. What should be the correct answer? Ask AI. Let's see. Harshan, for that I will keep one separate session. Definitely I will keep one separate session. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Let's see. Wait. Baba is waiting and Baba is going to check that who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Try it out. Everyone just try it out and let me see that who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Till that time, Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. Baba is waiting for your answer that who is going to give the correct answer, kids. It's a very dangerous question. Baba would like to say that it's the most dangerous question, kids. And in 2012, it has already been asked. AIPMT, at that time, AIPMT was taking exam. And this time, who is going to solve this question, kids? It's a challenge. It's a challenge. The winner will get chocolate and chocolates. Let's see, kids, who is going to get the correct answer. It's your time. It's your time. It's your time, kids. Do it. Do it. Make it out possible. Make it out possible, kids. Ask anyone, phone a friend, or whatever you want to do. But you are supposed to give the correct answer, kids. This is All India PMT 2011 or 12 question. If you want to check it out, you can check it out, kids. So, kids, have you got the answer? Is there anyone who has got the answer? Let's see who is able to get the answer, kids. It's a very dangerous question, kids. Let's see how many of you are going to get the answer for this question, kids. Fast, fast, quick, quick, kids, quick. Baba is giving you time so that you can get the correct answer. Fast, kids, fast. Make it out fast. Let me check it out. Who is going to get the correct answer? Speedily, kids. Everyone, kids. It's a dangerous question. Very, very dangerous question, kids. Baba is telling you really 2012 question or 2011 question. It's a question which already they have asked kids. Fast, kids, fast. Let me see who is confident about this answer, kids. Let me check it out. Who is being confident about this answer? The answer of this question. Is there anyone who is getting the answer of this question, kids? Let me check it out the screen. 2, 2, 2. Shiv is going for 2. Rest of other students, Baba answer is given 2. Is there anyone else who can answer this question? Is there anyone else? Now, my dear students, Baba with no rearrangement. Yes, yes. No rearrangement is there. They have not done any rearrangement. So number of things are there that this question is really fantabulous, and number of students will get negative marks. Now see, kids, whenever SN1 is taking place, the major product will be with rearrangement. It's this is the minor one. This is the minor one. Number of questions are arising. Here two products will be there, but they have written only the minor product. Its major product would have been, its major product will be CH3. Hydride shift will be there, CH3, and OC2H5, and this hydride will shift over there. Then this will also become CH3. This will also become CH3. That is going to be the major product. But they are not saying this is major or minor. They have just written one product. One point is clear. Why I am writing SN1? Why I am writing SN1? There, for writing SN1, there are 2 points. One is this weak. This one is weak. This cannot attack in single step. Can't attack in single step. So it is weak nucleophile. It has to first do hydrolysis. First it will form carbocation. Then two products will get formed. One being minor, another one being major. They have not given the major one. They have given minor one. They are saying that's none of your business. Whatever I have written, just follow it. So it is SN1 only. And there is no inversion of configuration. That is SN1. First point is clear. Is the first point clear that it is SN1? And now here it is strong nucleophile. But let me tell you, strong nucleophile will attack from backside, and it has to give inversion of configuration. There must be given inversion of configuration. So that is not given inversion of configuration, but we will select the most appropriate answer. Most appropriate answer, otherwise I am not agreed. Most appropriate answer we are selecting, otherwise I would like to say this question is very, very poor category question, very, very full of chaos. This question is having totally chaos, number of things not getting matched with the fundamental concept. So it is only elimination. We can do this question, do this question with elimination. Do this question by using elimination method only, otherwise this question is not good at all. My dear students, I hope that you got it. Otherwise, number of questions are arising. Kids, only Baba can do it. My dear students, got it? Do let me know. Write down something in the chat that Baba has really taken too much time for this question. Kids, do let me know that agreed or not. Most appropriate we have selected. Otherwise, no options. The options are not really good. Kids, got it or not? 2 hours have gone. So let me increase the speed, but do let me know that everyone clear or not. Santimoy Mandal, Jyoti, 1111, Shiv, everyone write down speedily. Next, very good, everyone. Next question. This is simple question, simple, beautiful question. I would like to say it's a beautiful question. Beautiful question. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. So simply its answer will be, do let me know in the answer. Do let me know in the chat. The answer will be the structure of the major product formed in the following. This is benzyl and this is aryl. So from where the bond cleavage will be there, aryl bond order is greater than 1, and that is benzyl, reactive, good leaving group, that is good leaving group. So SN2 DMF is polar aprotic solvent. This DMF is polar aprotic solvent, and that NaCN, Na positive and Cn negative is being very strong nucleophile. What type of reaction can we consider? Very strong nucleophile, very strong nucleophile. So definitely this reaction is SN2 reaction, SN2 reaction. So this will not break, bond order is greater than man, its bond length is smaller, only that will break. So this answer is totally wrong. Then this answer is totally wrong. This answer is totally wrong. Only one answer is correct. Fourth is the correct answer. Fourth one. People have gone for 3 also, I think. Oh my God, people have missed it. Yeah. Don't see the leaving group. Oh my God, people. Oh yeah, you see. See, the leaving group tendency is like this. Leaving group tendency is like this. Iodide, then bromide, then chloride, then fluoride. Okay. But remember that कौन क्या है उससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कौन कहां पे है. कौन क्या है उससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कौन कहां पे है. द थिंग, द प्लेस इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ द whale fish is inside the water and a fighter, Bruce Lee, is going to fight, whale fish will be the winner. But if whale is on the land, then everyone will be the winner. So who is what? Then this more important thing is that where they are located. Jagah, medium is more important. This leaving group tendency will not work over here. Bacha, this leaving group tendency will not work here. This leaving group tendency will not work over here. Why will not work over here? Will not work for this question or for questions like this type. Questions of this type. Why, kids? Why? Because in this one is captain of the ship. Captain is attached. Iodine is the captain. Captain means its lone pair is taking part in resonance. It is different. Its single bond is having partial double bond character. If you remember that, I positive, negative, double bond character, and by this bond length decreases by 8 picometer, and that is good leaving group. Why? CH2 Cl. If that is going, if this one is leaving, its plus charge will get resonance, stabilized by resonance. But if it is going to leave, its plus charge will not do resonance because it is having double bond and plus charge localized. This plus charge is localized and that plus charge is delocalized. So don't see here the leaving group tendency. This will not work in this type of question. This can't work, kids. In case of vinyl, it can't work. Vinyl and aryl can't work. In case of vinyl and aryl, in case of vinyl and aryl, it will not work. It will not work. I hope that it's clear. That's why this is anaconda question. This is anaconda. Because of this question has become anaconda question. Kids, got it? I want to see the reply. Baba's explanation is really good or not. Yeah, this is rat of the ship and that is captain of the ship. Slight clarity is there. My students, Jyoti, everyone, now clear. You are thinking about leaving group tendency. That's why you have done it wrong. Now it's clear. Now is it clear? My dear students, now is it clear? Kids, speedily do let me know. I want to see the chat running with speed, high speed, everyone. With high speed, I want to see the chat running. Make it to move with 1000 kilometers per hour. Write down anything, show any emoji. I want to see the chat running with very high speed. Kids, make the chat running with very high speed. I want to see the chat running with very high speed. Okay, now next question. Speedily, let me do this question also. Now, assertion. These are the only 4 assertion and reasoning. Then the class will get over. Only 4 assertion and reasoning. Electrophilic substitution reaction and haloarenes occur slowly and require more drastic condition as compared to those in benzene. The first point is totally true. Why it is true? This is given in class 12th, first chapter. If you see the table, class 12th, first chapter, haloalkane and haloarene table is given over there. One table they have given and it's given on left hand page. Now let me explain. Let me give the Baba's explanation. You see, in halobenzene, the reason is their minus I is equal to or dominates plus M. Minus I is equal to or dominates plus M. This I have explained you. This I have explained you. Explained or not, kids? This already been explained, and that's why ring activity decreases. That means benzene becomes less electron ring. Benzene becomes less electron rich, and that's why its reactivity decreases. And halobenzenes are the only entity which are orthoparadactyl, but then also they decreases ring activity. Remember, I am writing one statement. All ortho and paradactyls, all ortho and paradactyls, all ortho and paradactyls increases nucleophilicity of benzene, increases nucleophilicity of benzene, and that's why the ESR tendency also increases. But my dear students, but halobenzene although being O and P directors, but nucleophilicity of benzene decreases. Very important thing I would like to say, kids. Mark my words and keep it in your brain. This is awesome thing. This is really awesome thing. Most important thing I would like to say, kids. It's really awesome blossom. So always put this thing in your brain, because number of questions will come from this point. If you want to see, you can see your NCERT and whatever I have written. This statement is given there in this table on the left hand page. This table is given over there. You can see class 12th, it's given over there. Now first statement is true. Electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes occur slowly and require more drastic. Very true. First one is absolutely true statement. Second, halogens are ortho and para. This is also true, but not the correct explanation. So this is the answer. It is not the correct explanation. This is very fantabulous question. Sir, when benzene mechanism carbon, okay, that is ARSN2. Santosh Kumar, ARSN2. Benzene mechanism, Sine substitution, AR. Kids, do let me know, agreed or not. This is really very awesome question. Baba would like to say fantabulous question, kids. Fantabulous question. Agreed, everyone? I can't see your green. No, it's not meta director. 11. It is ortho and para director only. It is ortho and para director only because it's due to plus M, the negative charge. You see that resonance hybrid structure. This statement is absolutely true. Why ortho para? See. If I draw its resonance hybrid, then its resonance hybrid is like this. X del plus double bond character del negative, del negative, del negative, del negative. It is OP director only. That is clear. It's not meta director. 11, it's OP director. Both the statement are true. This statement is also true and that statement is also true. Both are true. You can see the table. You can see the table. You can see the table. The table is given. Should I show you the table? Should I show you the table? Should I show you the table? If you want, kids, or you can see it yourself. Now, next question. Agreed or not? Let me see in the chat. Everyone agreed or not? Fast, quick. Only two options, two questions are left, kids. Only two questions are left. Everyone done with this? Everyone agreed or not? Sir, when which mechanism test? Santosh Kumar, that is benzene mechanism in ARSN2 and Sine substitution. I will take a class, separate class, tab bataunga. ठीक है बेटा? Now, everyone, are you agreed? Agreed. Okay, next question. Next question. Here is another question, kids. Just see, here is another question. Second last question. After this, only one question will left. So assertion is like this: on reaction with alcoholic KOH will give as a result of dehydrogenation, right? But this is the major product. You will get two types of products in this. The one more product will be the Hoffman product, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. This is 20% form and this is known as your Hoffman product, Hoffman product. And now the major one they have given CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. This is 80% formed. That is known as ZJEF product, ZJEF. You can also call it or JETSEP, JETSEP. It can show GI, so trans will be more and cis will be less, and that's why it is known as stereoselective, stereoselective. And this is formed due to E2 reaction. These are formed due to E2 mechanism. That's why E2 is said to be stereoselective as well as, because these two are geometrical, your structural isomers. So they are formed and they are structural isomer, that is position isomer. That's why it is regioselective also, and that's why we will say E2 reaction is regioselective as well as stereo. According with Markovnikov elimination, Markovnikov is valid for addition. So that was true, and that is true because they have just shown the major product, but this is wrong, totally false. Why it is being false, kids? Because Markovnikov's rule is valid for what? That is valid for addition reaction, and here elimination. So this is wrong. Markovnikov is for addition reaction. So 1 is true, 2 is false. If assertion is true, but reason is false. Third answer, kids, third. C, very good, very good. Now last question. This is going to be a last question. Everyone just see. This is the last question. I would like to see the answer in the chat. Everyone, speedily. SN2 reaction proceeds with racemization. Wrong, wrong, totally wrong. Only backside attack, this is wrong. Wrong. Why wrong? Because in SN2, backside attack, only backside attack is there, because in SN2 only one type of product formation, only one type of product formation, and this is why product formation, and that is due to because of only backside attack, because of only backside attack. So first option is wrong, totally wrong, false. Now second one, SN2 is two-step. Arey Baba, this is totally wrong. Single step reaction. This is also false. It is elementary single step reaction. Elementary single step reaction, right kids? Single step. Both are wrong. Both are wrong. False, wrong. Both are wrong. Is any question left? Yeah. Match the following. Two match the following. So two match the following. Okay, after this session will get over. Two match the following. Okay, kids. Shanti Moimandal, first of all, do let me know you are enjoying. Maja aa raha hai. Harshan, Jyoti, very good selection of questions. This I have taken from J Mains, as people have demanded, sir. We need J Mains questions also along with previous year asked questions. So if you are really loving it, really liking it, show me green signal. Last two questions, match the following, kids. I would like to see the green signal from everyone. Chat should get filled with green signal because I can't read because big screen is not working. Today I will fix it. I've called this engineer to fix all the things, the electrician engineer. He will fix today each and everything. So in the evening session, everything should be fantastic. That's my prayer to God. 2. Some kids are going for 2. So let me check it out. This is SN1. SN1 and E1. If heat is not there, so mainly SN1 and SN1. So hydride shift is there. And this is the major product. So I would like to say this is SN1 reaction which is taking place through 1,2 methyl shift. 1,2 methyl shift. I'm very sure about it. How to do this question? If I'm very sure about it, A2. A is 2. So I got the answer. I got my answer with only one thing, but no. I will not mark it until and unless I'm not very sure about rest of the other reactions. See, if I say HBr peroxide, this they are talking about anti-Markovnikov addition. Am I right? anti-Markovnikov's addition, we can say peroxide effect, or we can say it is Kharasch effect, if you know peroxide effect, or we can call it to be Kharasch effect, right kids? So answer is this, and this is Kharasch effect. So let me cross check. C is 4. C is 4. Wow, very good. Alcoholic KOH, beta elimination. So beta, right. Second is the correct answer. Wow, who has given this answer speedily? Wow, Santimoy Mandal and Vemula Shalaja. Vemula Shalaja, are you new? Harshan, very good. Everyone is rocking. Everyone. Now, I think last question. Last question. Let me check the screen. Who is going to give this answer first? And if you're new to this channel, really, you should know about Baba. The 27 years of teaching experience, first rank, second rank, fifth rank, 13th rank, every rank in NEET, AIMS, JEE. So, subscribe this channel. Next session is in the evening on thermochemistry. You can see that thumbnail is updated. Next session is on thermochemistry, evening at 7 p.m. Santri Moy Mandal is the first one to give answer as A. This is your last question, and let me check it out whether A is right or wrong. A is right or wrong. This though I don't know. Let us suppose this I don't know. B, tertiary butyl alcohol concentrated HCl at, so this though I know, that turbidity will appear immediately. B is 3. B is 3. B is 3 given in two options, so these two can't be possible. Now PBr3 will react, but I don't know. But this is Darjan's method. D is being Darjan's method, and no shifting will take place. Darjan's method, best method for preparation of chloroalkane. So D is CH2Cl. D is second. D is second. D is second. D is second is given in one only. One only. So this is the answer. So I hope that everyone got it, kids. Everyone got it. And now today's best slide. If I say today's best slide, and this question is your for homework. Last question. This you can say is your homework. Everyone, you have to tell me the answer of this question in the comments. Answer it in the comment. Answer in comment. Answer in comment, right? I would like to see answer in comment for this question. Now today, if you give best prize to which slide? The best prize should be given to which slide? I think best prize, which slide will get the best prize? I think this slide, because people will go for leaving group tendency, and we are not supposed to see the leaving group tendency. So at 7 p.m. मिलते हैं सभी भाइयों और बहनों, देवी और सज्जनों, 7 बजे थर्मोकेमिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस करने की ट्रिक के साथ. I will tell you fundamentally the strong basics and the trick to solve thermodynamics questions just within fraction of seconds. This is your Baba HSP, and I'm over there for your rank. This is the best channel for the accuracy, consistency, everything. Right now for chemistry, I will ask others for physics and bio also, and maths teacher for JEE. And stay tuned for your selection. Bye bye. Take care. Sharing is caring. If you're sharing all these things with others, Almighty God is going to help you a lot. Bye bye. Tata. Take care. Shanti Moy Mandal is saying thermochemistry nahi pada. Okay. you do one thing, थोड़ा सा देख के आना, otherwise I will help you. शांतिमय मंडल, पहले थोड़े ट्रिक्स बताऊंगा, then I will give you question in the evening session. ठीक है? Will it work? ठीक है शांतिमय मंडल, you are very good student. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं पहले आपको पढ़ा दूंगा, सब कुछ बता दूंगा, and then we will do questions, right? Yolomo waking, and those students are new, please subscribe this channel and tell your friends to do the same, because here I am teaching each and everything from NCERT also. So YOLO my king, will you share it to everyone? शांति मोय मंडल, आप अपने स्टेट में अपने सब लोगों को बताओगे. सभी लोगों ने, नीरज साई वेलकम एंड हैप्पी युगाड़ी, आई हैव सीन योर मैसेज, यू आर दी बेस्ट. एंड वेमुला शैलजा, प्लीज डू लेट मी नो आप कहाँ से हैं. हेलो काजल, लाइक जीओसी काजल, बिल्कुल आप लिखना कमेंट में, और मैं बिल्कुल लूँगा. आपके दोस्त को भी बुला कर लाइए, राइट? एवरीवन, यू शेयर दिस टू एवरीवन, राइट? मैं सब कुछ करा दूंगा, ठीक है? सब कुछ करा दूंगा, बट अगर मैं अच्छा पढ़ा रहा हूँ, अच्छा नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो कोई बात नहीं, बट इफ यस माई टीचिंग इज़ वेरी गुड and I'm telling you each and everything in detail, then better to share it to everyone. Telangana, very good YOLO making. I'm seeing you for the first time, but you are really the best. Share it to everyone. Bye. Take care, kids. Take care. Bye.